My name is Wendy Knerr. I'm with the Pleasure Project, and we're working with the Realizing Rights RPC. Today I was presenting some information about our, not so much about our work, but about what we're seeing as the impact of our work and the indicators for how we might be influencing different groups. And
what was the main thrust of the research or the piece of work?
An interesting word to use.
Perfect for you.
I guess the thrust of it is that we are seeing a real transition, I suppose, where people are becoming more comfortable with the idea that sexual pleasure has something to do with disease prevention. And I presented a few quotes from some surveys and other sort of analysis we've done. We've asked people, practitioners, researchers, what do you see as the difference because of the work we're doing? And what they said is that they're better able to articulate the issues around sexual pleasure and disease prevention. They're better able to explain it to other people, and also better able to look at their own preconceptions about the issues. So I guess that would be the big thrust of what I talked about today.
And are there any particular lessons you think for sort of other research, of what have you learned from the work that you've done?
Well, because we're working between these different worlds, really. We're working, trying to build bridges between the sex world and the health world, and between researchers and practitioners. It's a very difficult place to be, and we really struggle for funding. We're largely unfunded at this point. We were turned down, for example, for charitable status because we were told pleasure is not charitable. So I guess those are some, I don't know if those are so much lessons learned, but those are the challenges of being in the space we're in. But at the same time, there are huge benefits to it, that we have insight from different areas. For example, we do a sexy female condom demonstration in a lot of presentations. And that came about because we were presenting alongside these sort of strippers and various other people at an event, and we thought, well, how are we going to compete talking about health? And we thought, oh, we know, let's do this. And now we use that with health practitioners, and they love it. And we hear from people, oh, I did that presentation. So there are real benefits to being in what we consider this transgressive space. So I would share that with people, that there are benefits to it if you're willing to push the boundaries a bit and stay with it.